Hi everyone. Well, I told you that day 5 was going to be a treat, and that treat is a 5-minute plank. In 3, 2, 1. Top of your push-up position, we start right here. Belly is nice and firm. Keep it lifted the whole time. We are going to move from high to low plank, meaning forearm plank. And if at any point you need to lower your knees, you're more than welcome to do so, okay? As we move, I want you to keep your belly firm. Watch that booty. Try not to let it lift up or down. All right, meaning keep everything super duper tight. We go to our forearms in 3, 2, 1. Put one down and then the other. Good. Belly is nice and lifted, okay? So you guys are strong. You're starting to move through your first 5 days with me. Hopefully you've took some time to figure out what's challenging, what's not. What are you good at? What's harder? And if your booty's way up here, again, pull it in, make it go flat, okay? For 5, high plank in 4, 3, 2, 1. Push. Good. You're back to the top of the push-up. You're going to start to feel your legs. You're going to start to feel your quads. You're going to start to feel challenged, okay? Belly is firm. Maybe before you start day 5, you've already done day 1, 2, 3, and 4 before, right? Maybe, maybe not. Stay here, quick time check. 5, 4, 3, 2, down to those forearms. Good job, guys. Hold it, hold it. Once we come back to plank, we're only gonna have 3 minutes left, meaning you're 2 minutes in already, which is super awesome. Again, firming up through the core. Feeling your heels push back so your belly is lifting and you're firm, 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 right? We want to feel all of those muscles. Nice work. Quick time check. We got 5, 4, 3, 2. Big push. Nice work. 2 minutes down. So once we go back to our forearms, we're only going to have halfway, meaning all you got to do is repeat what we've already done. If you're starting to feel a little bit shaky, guess what? So am I. If you need to, you can move your hips just a tad, maybe a little movement, maybe a little forward back. Do what you need to do, but again, stay strong right where you are. 5, 4, 3. Guess what? Halfway, bring it down. Bring it down. This time, bring your hands together. Push down through your forearms, forward with your fingers. Push back through your heels, lift up through your butt. If you've already done a lot of push-ups today or strength work, you may be like, holy cow, this is hard. I'm not your friend right now, and that's okay. We don't have to be friends in this very moment. Good job. 10 seconds right here. And then all we've got left is 2 strong minutes. If you need to drop those knees, drop them. If not, stay. Big push plank. 2 minutes to go. So you have one more time here, and that's it. Okay? Good. Stay strong. Stay with me. I'm going to turn my hands out a little bit just to get any of the tension out of my wrist. And again, belly is pulling up and in. Firm, firm, firm the whole time, and hopefully you're starting to feel stronger too. Good. 10, 9, forearm plank. Come on, I'm starting to get shaky with you, starting to feel a little bit warmer. 3, 2, bring it down. 1, and then the other. Beautiful. Push back through those heels. Next time we come to plank, we only have 1 minute to go, guys. You can do that. Squeeze your legs, press back through your heels. Maybe you're taking this challenge first thing in the morning. Maybe it's more in the evening. Whatever you can do, hold, hold, hold. Good job. 10, 9, 8. We're nearing that final 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3. High plank. Let's go. One hand. Woo! Last 30 seconds here, then we have 30 seconds in forearm plank, and then me and you can stop shaking and call it a day on our plank. Or if you are a fan of hitting repeat, then guess what? Hit your repeat. Now, the reason I'm not giving you a lot of opportunities to move is because I want you to work on that static hold, okay? Quick time check. 8, 7, forearm plank to close us out in 3, 2, down. Down, hands together, fingertips forward, reach back with your heels, reach down with those forearms, lift up through your belly. Good, feel the muscles in your back work, feel your legs work, fierce, strong. Maybe tennis shoes is better for you, maybe barefoot. You'll learn what's best. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees. Push back to child's pose. Give yourself a chance to breathe. Whew. And that was like number 5 video I filmed today, by the way. So way to go. And I'm going to be real sore. See you guys tomorrow.